Give thanks and praise for today. Give thanks to the breath of life awake and the breath of blow. Belly side of go out and come in. Yeah, today issue we're gonna base off for some old people. Yeah, we're gonna tell you about old people because enough of the younger people them nowadays turning them back on the older head of people. And the younger youth them nowadays, they don't have any manners, they don't have any respect. Young youth, whenever time you're in the street or in the road and you see an old man or an old lady on the left side of the road or the right side, or he or she need to cross, don't be ashamed of going over there and hold that person on and take him across the road with a clean heart and a free mind. Because look here, me and you don't know what will happen in life and what will reach us in life. Remember, they were once young like we do. On good time, you don't care about old people. It's must you tell yourself, say, you're not gonna get in old. And no one know what today gonna be, night tomorrow gonna be. Daddy Jim is here. Yes.
Yes, big up in yourself, all of my good people them, all over the world.
Yeah, man.
Big up in yourself, old people, young people. You know, no disrespect, you know, there's some stay still. My Rasta bird, you know, hide my ganja strip, but you know, I'm sure that I go up and that's the Daddy Jim. Yeah. Real Daddy Jim. No disrespect. I love all that one, good people all over the world. But you come back again for big enough and one big way up.
Yeah.
Mau.
Yeah, man. So, people, the love of all people we are basing on. Alright. Look at this now. Enough of the younger generation, yeah, they don't like old people. The older set of head don't like young people. You know why? There is a communication with that. Yeah, we need to communicate more. Because when people older and go up in age, they have a thing named senile.
Cut me brother. You come to one part where I don't believe in.
Senile.
You tell the people them good things, but you tell them bad things. Because you tell them say old people not believe in a children. No, not just old people. Little children, young children them don't believe in old people.
And old people still not believe in them.
No, remember say take you look on the level.
Yeah.
And old people grow all the little one them till they get old. No.
Yeah, but when them come and start get face, you know, that's the difference.
Then turn big people, then turn big people, that's why they don't love them again.
Yeah, they don't love them again. But old people have seen it, then call it they lack a remembrance.
Old people never stop love yet, no?
Yeah, the reason why I said that, me have a cousin, you know, who I look about one old lady, and then we wake up in the morning, bathe him off, clean him off, look about in tea, give him, and his son gone out. So it's like my cousin wake up in the morning, boil her tea, get her bathe her off and such, and make sure her belly full. Now, she seen I and lack a remembrance. When him son come in and say, "What go on, mommy, you alright?" "No, my son, hungry, I kill me from morning I down yam." So like he must say, "Give you something to eat." He must say, "No, not even little water." So it's like my friend. So I go on and come around and say, "Oh, you mean me not give you something? See all the plate even wash out there and the cup when me give you the tea. Now, remember when you did that tell me say such and such and such and such. Though yeah, so me not give you this and only the ketchup." I say, "Lord have mercy. I'm so sorry." So you have to just see with them. Because then we all do up themselves and shoot their hand in the pampas and take it and nasty up themselves because they don't know what them are doing. Because once a man, twice a child.
That's why you prove say them always have love. Because I love them, so them I deal with when they do that old people them.
Yeah, old people, yeah.
And see with the little children when they're small, I saw them do it because they say I love them I deal with.
Yeah, but without you not love old people, you're not going to love yourself.
When the little children start to turn big now, they start to hate everybody, both young and little, they start to hate. They can go in their class, then love.
Yeah.
But that
never top love yet, never top love.
The main part of it I want to get out when I deal with you about now the Rasta. I can't understand how the young youth them not love old people nowadays.
I can't understand.
That is the thing when I can't understand.
Like they now go get old too.
No, they never think they're going to get old. You know, so me one cousin they done gone, talk about this and that.
Mm-hmm.
And then tell me, because me have and tell me I'm old man.
Yeah.
And tell me I'm 43, I'm a big man now, I'm an old man now.
Yeah.
And I tell you, you're not going to live reach when we reach, much more of it on old man.
Yeah.
I know say about 4 months after that, they ended and my heart pain for about 3 months straight.
Like you say, Ratty, that way me say kill him, you know.
Kill him.
Like you put your mouth on him.
But I just, if I remember that if you say now, you must respect the elderly.
Yeah, man, and the elderly
and the elderly must respect the young. Because
Yeah.
the Bible don't tell you now, you must honor your mother and your father.
That's the days may belong upon the land.
Yes, when I said may belong, and I said, mother, don't put the children to her.
Right. But no for them days now go long, it a go short.
But the happy short because
Put them parents to rat.
And the parents promote the children them to rat.
Yeah. And here what happen now, you have some of the older head them, you know, with some bad mind. Cause no for the older head them waste for them time, you know. So you see, when them see the young youth them a try now, then get corrupt and it cause a problem. And then now, no for the younger generation now, take the bad mind from the elder people them, so no for the youth them come grow up and grow up bad mind and be told the parents not talk to the younger set of generation. They now go know, for instance now, me born and grow here so now, and Patsy, Dorothy, up there so my cousin, I mean no know, because the whole generation they never pass it on to we. So we come up now and start fleeting around and start there with everybody. And it become a family ram and it become nagging and concheering. Because the people them now tell the younger one them.
That was first time, you know. You see nowadays what happen now, you go to some mayor brother and you get 10 picking around this so and me get 4 around here. So they don't know they one another.
They don't know they one another.
You know, so when you back up at one school and as they go there, so they just feel one connection with the entire question.
Yeah.
How are your father? Who are your mother?
Who are your grandparents?
Who are your you know, me feel me and your family.
Right, them me and your family.
Yeah.
By reason and reason. Yes, this what me I say.
There one connection blown out here. Look when you go in that street place and you walk up a virgin.
Yeah.
You walk up a virgin and you talk thing good and alright now. But the spirit not take that one day.
Yeah.
And you walk go down further. You walk up one next one again and you hear him talk. The first one they buy a liquor.
Yes.
This one not buy nothing because him a look fine. But the spirit take that one here.
The spirit take that one there.
Because you feel the connection.
Yeah. And some of the time you see all a woman out the road and you can't go in the yard and when you're there with him done, you find out say, are your cousin? People if you ask question before them going to relations.
That's the right part of life.
That's the right part of life.
But as
Check
I say, you can't take feelings and know because I have a sister who is dead and gone now.
Yeah.
And when I know that sister, learn through the man.
Yeah.
And left me I go burn weed.
Yeah.
Over, Manchester school, and then we could go over there as well, like to the post office there.
Yeah.
I tried to go across over there and buck up this nice little brown skinny girl that come down the lane. Taylor, me smile, cover the whole of my face.
Yeah, your face bright up.
What? And the big was scripting on me and as a Taylor man I go out on the street and see a nice chica coming on my way.
Yeah.
Man not feel bright like me, man.
Yeah, right.
Brown in what go on there. And lyrics start flow.
Yeah, right.
And I control the girl too, you know.
Easy as that.
Control the girl. And the girl come with me, come sit in and me burn me ganja spliff and me come back up and me gone, and when me go and the girl gone, where she go and make the deal with how we buck up again. Buck up again, you know. In a real life, me I tell you about it.
Yeah.
When the girl buck up again now. Besides me I got teary, you know.
Yeah.
I say, oh, part where we go over Manchester school, one whole building there, so I say, we go back this up.
This side for tearing.
Teary,
like paper, like sheet.
Come on, a bad man, you know.
Yeah.
Someone say them. And you know, say, it's like to the daughter feel the
energy.
The energy and the hook to, you know, say, that I go on. If you hear me, I go down and madam go check my daddy first.
Yeah.
And when I check my daddy, we go cross over there. You come.
Yeah.
I say, yes, man. Wait, I say, where you say daddy name? Mr. Yap. I say, born, killer.
Killer, beanie, man.
Whenever I see Mr. Yap, what me think about, you think about. Plain, something tell you, and I say, no, I don't pay Mr. Yap, I don't pay Mr. Yap.
Yeah.
I said, then call me father.
Yeah.
Anyway, walk go down and madam, I see him. Madam, where I go do?
Yeah.
And then go and see madam place. When she go up in the place, I start laugh. Because everything what she had to me about stick to the same madam.
I see him thing.
And when you go in there, the same old man we have to make old man, not the same old man after the girl old man.
Giano.
So if you never feel, and no question never ask.
Yeah.
A connection we feel.
Yeah.
And the connection we feel pull we apart, we
Yeah.
are wild.
Yeah.
And it just reveal to it.
Yeah. So that means to say you could have theory and don't know and that one. People, share and comment and subscribe and check it and don't wreck it. Now the next part we are going to tell you people, we are going to tell you about some bad-minded people. And Daddy Jim there, tap on them contour. So just check the next clip. So yeah, people, we did a telling about the old lady and the love of old people and young people. Now, this transform to bad mind people now. Yeah, we are going to tell you about bad mind people. What are you going to do with the bad mind people?
Mash them, trample them down like a bees.
Right now, one of them gungu to and them contour.
If I should I can't blaze, me sure what I do with them.
Step on one of them gungu to and them contour.
If I should I can't blaze, me sure what I do with bad mind people.
Yeah.
A long time I want dash with some bad mind people. You know?
Yo, me not like bad mind people. That's why I not trust people, because then we give you dirty rice and flour. Finny and with weeble, you wear their heart evil.
But sometimes I think that because they can't read them bad mind. No? Because everything they think about them say they're right.
No.
They never say they're wrong yet.
Literate now have nothing to do with
yes,
it. And them mind.
They're not bad mind, the bad
And them mind. Them bad mind. Bad mind people, we there, you know. And you have your car right now. And you say, Daddy, you make me help you wash off your car. I wash off your car, you know.
And
but
take your ring and creep up
I take your ring and creep up your car and you wash it good. So you see, what is bad mind people? They are full of too much evil. You see what me I tell you? So I not trust people, brother. Bad mind people.
And I know still we try to make the younger youth them understand say in a life. The Bible says do unto others as you will like them do unto you.
Do unto you. True,
So if you pour out bad mind to them, they will pour out bad mind.
Yeah.
You can't give them your all.
No.
If you get a piece of bread, you have to give them peace and you take back peace. So you don't share the whole and give them and give them.
True. And the boy long to do over evil. So when them a fight and a bad mind, you show them love same way and see the disaster what happen to them in a life. Because them not hold no meds.
Yeah, well, that's the thing when we can't understand why they not hold no meds. Because some wicked, I don't know, if you take life, you know, it's a life rough though.
Yeah, true.
Because I go to a doctor and doctor say, I better burn ganja because my kidney them bad.
Yeah.
And time I burn ganja, I come like say I'm dead.
Yeah.
I don't know, I not encourage the youth them to burn ganja. You know?
Yeah.
But me I tell you, sir, sometimes what your mind tell you.
Yeah, your mind, man. You have a good, free, peace of mind.
Anytime I burn the ganja, I feel weak and heavy.
Yeah.
And I burn it, and I walk to the whole of Jamaica.
I want to tell the youth them too, you know. You see this gun business, yeah, this pananak and them thing there. Friend a killer, friend for gun and them gang business there. Youth, you know, cut out them the type of situation there.
And go back go plant ganja.
And go back go plant weed and food. I want them thing there in a local country then. So, you know, just Lego off of them thing there. Come more time people dissing, you know. You know much people diss me. Wicked this way. And all my intention is to take up a machete or take up a stone and so. That don't work. You just turn to God when you got your problem and sit down and reason with him, read a psalm or pray, and everything come out of your head gone. You see that evil force there will come against you because here we know. Two strong force, yeah? One is good and one is bad. Now the good is for God. Now the bad is for the devil. So you see, anytime you have a cross spirit come across, you know, say devil spirit that walk cross. Yeah. Anytime you have a love and you feel some cool breeze pass your face, vibes and the spirit of God angel that pass through. You see me? Just like how you walk along and the place cool and all of a sudden in the early morning, you feel one hot heat come up in your face. What you feel say about that?
All the time people don't say I'm dopey.
Dopey. Whether man dopey, woman dopey, boy dopey, or girl dopey, country dopey, or foreign dopey, or dopey.
I'm not dopey. At the evilest time we are going on.
Look, remember say, you know, the time work of span itself, you know. So every time build up evil. And the love time build up love. The joy time build up joy.
Anyway, I don't trust a dog, you know.
Him not do nothing, man. Him good, man. Him good, man. As you talk about that, you know, the Chinese man will live down from the flat, we have the hardware there.
Yeah.
See me, what the here? And I ask me if me not have nobody, or me not know nobody will sell dog. So me say, what? Me want some dog, man. Me want some dog to put in the meat, no, from the patty. That's why me no yam patty, you know. I mean, here, people say Chinese man use dog make patty. And I first me come find out. You just sell him
Me not like how
But we
you
can't catch him. I'm bad. Nobody never touch him.
Me not like how you go on. You could have tell me.
You know enough?
Well, I can't wait.
Them, me and you not go link up for sell the Chinese man, son dog man. Come say some
Take time talk.
take time talk, no make nobody know.
Can't advertise too much.
Me see Raya some over there now. We have come over my place and I dig out my place and I dig out the people them folk up and yam out the people them chicken. We can catch them and sell the Chinese man them daddy.
Just sell that one.
I chew you not like that the one you make you want to sell him man. But me I tell you saying buy it. You can't catch him, you can't go near him. You have to carry them in life. Then how we are going to carry them in life? Then how we carry them in life? They're not dead, the Chinese man are going to use it dead.
I feel them know they want to die.
I'm going to sell the Chinese man some dog, brother. I'm right now, nothing going on for me and my day and the dog then just walk and shit up the place. I walk and shit up the place. Shovel and broom, I heap up dog shit all this in the bread. And it's something thinking of that. I mean, so when you clean dog shit, you have to like one of your eye. It's your blind. Oh, toast, daddy. You believe them sitting there, daddy?
I think they are true now because I little boy now, well, but they actually me yourself clean up the yard now and I tell me I see too good, although I see too good right now.
You know see too good?
Although I see too good right now.
Me rot it. So you feel say dog shit over can't say I. Me rot it. I do it. People, comment, share, and subscribe. Because you don't know. Me and daddy Jim there. And we're back in living colors again. And we are big up all our elder people them. And big up all young people them. So we want everyone to come together and make this country be a better country.
One for all
for all for one. Up.